Now, one more example for finite abelian group is Klein's 4 group. Klein's 4 group is a group with 4 elements and each element has self-inverse. Now, other than the identity element, product of any two gives the third one. So that is your Klein's 4 group. As a real life example, we can consider a t-shirt. The group out of it, what we get is named as t-shirt group, and that's an example for Klein's 4 group. We will see how it can be an example for Klein's 4 group. Now we shall write the four parts of the t-shirt as the front, back, front inside, back inside. So we shall call them as front inside, and these will be taken as the four elements. So we shall name them as E, X, Y and Z. So these are the four elements. So the back inside is taken as Z, front inside is taken as Y, and back is taken as X, and front is taken as E. So a person can have this front part of it to be as such, the front part of the t-shirt, and then the next day, suppose he wants to wear it, the back one to be as the front one. So you have, and that is one option, and then you can turn inside out the entire t-shirt so that front inside will come as the front part, and back inside will be at the back naturally, and again you can put that to the front so that back inside will be at the front. So in four ways that you can wear the same t-shirt. So now having named as the sides as F, B, Fi, Bi, we shall see that what could be the operations so that they can form a group. So for that we shall consider this table. We shall have the column head as well as row head as F, B, Fi, Bi, and this is nothing but E, this is X, Y and Z. Now we will see that front of any of the sides, when we consider the front of, see, once I have F, the front of front is F only. Once I have this one to be the front one, front part, then in that case front of that will be B only. So in the same way Fi for Fi and Bi also. So this part will be the same. That is, you can see that whenever F is operated with all this, you get back the same elements only. Now coming to back of front. So how it has to be read, because star stands for off. So back of front. Front is this. The back of that will be naturally back only. So, and then back of back. So you have back. The back of back will be definitely F. So you have this. And back of front inside. The back of front inside will be back of front inside will be back inside. See, once you change the t-shirt inside out, then the front will become front inside, and then back will become back inside. So this is what we have actually. Back of front inside will be back inside, and back of back inside will be front inside. So and then coming to this, front inside of front. Front inside of front will be front inside only. Now front inside of back, this is back, the front inside of that will be back inside only. Now front inside of front inside of, this is front inside of front inside will be F only, and front inside of back inside. So this is the front inside, and this is the back inside. The next one, you want to have the front inside of the back inside. So that will be, again it will go back, so you will get that to be B. Now back inside of front. This is front. the back of that will be back, and the back inside that we want. So back inside of front is back inside, and back inside of back. So the next one is back inside of back, that is front inside. So once you have back at the front, at the back you will have front. So back inside of that back will be naturally front inside, and then back inside of front inside. So this is front inside. Once you have front inside this side, and naturally at the back of it, back inside will be there. So you want to have back inside of this front inside, so it should be back only, that is B only. And finally we have back inside of back inside. So once you have back inside here, at the back of it you will have front inside. So at the back of that front inside you will have front. So you have back inside of back inside to be front. So these are the sides, and using this operation of, we have this table, and correspondingly when we name them as E, X, Y and Z, we have this table. It's a table with 4 elements, and all the elements have self inverse. That is why you have identity element along the main diagonal, and then other than the identity element, product of any 2 element is the third. Y, Z as X, and this one you get it as Y. So you have a product, all the conditions for this group to be a Klein's 4 group being true. This t-shirt group is an example for Klein's 4 group.